Introducing the Baja Raptor 2. Your adventure awaits. The Baja Raptor 2 will ship to you in one crate. There is a cutout in the crate where the center shroud will be located. Remove and set aside. There are clips that are around the entire crate that need to be removed. First, start by removing the clips that hold the lid down. Next, carefully remove the rest of the clips on the crate. Remove the remaining sections of the crate, and then the styrofoam and plastic protecting the unit for shipping. Next, remove the straps that hold down the unit to the base located on the front and rear of the unit. Then, bring the seat up and attach the headrest. Next, remove the key for the Baja Raptor 2, which is located on the right handlebar. Use the key to lift the seat up as shown. Use the arm bar to hold the seat in the standing position. Here, you will find the owner's manual, battery charger, mirrors, and the reset for the circuit breaker. You must reset the circuit breaker by pressing the red button located underneath the seat storage area. The serial number for the unit is located under the seat and in the owner's manual. The Baja Raptor 2 will ship with the following contents: the Raptor 2, mirrors, the owner's manual, battery charger, and USB charger. Next, install the mirrors on both sides and adjust accordingly. The seat has 1 inch of memory foam on the back and seat base, along with waterproof stitching. The armrests have width, height, and angle adjustments. The seat lever allows you to recline and fold the seat flat. The seat also comes standard with a slider that allows you to slide the seat back and forth for your comfort. Insert the key into the slot to start the unit. The console will light up, showing that there is power to the unit. On the console, you will have forward, reverse, and high and low buttons. The throttle is located on the right handlebar. Test the unit to make sure that it drives, and then test the blinkers and horn to make sure they are also working properly. Next, test the light package. The light switch is located on the left side of the console. Then, test the brakes. There is also a lock on the brake itself to act as a parking brake. The USB charger will connect to the XLR port, which allows you to charge small electronic devices while driving the unit. The Baja Raptor 2 can be put into freewheel by simply lifting the yellow lever located on the motor. The unit is equipped with anti-tips in the rear. There is also storage underneath the seat, on the tiller, and on the back of the seat.